there, Star here. Thank you for stopping by. Today for breakfast, I'm having hash brown and some vegan sausage. I like to use this brand by Life, and this is a vegetarian side of Italian sausage, and it's a soy-based product, and it have a lot of plant-based ingredients in it. It's pretty good and it has that meaty texture that you may crave. Starting out as someone that may be wanting to not have as much meat, this is a good brand to try. Then to start my tofu scramble, I like to use red onion and garlic. I like to get this minced garlic already done because it's just so easy to use and I love garlic. I added in some olive oil and 2 handfuls of spinach. I sauteed that to get it nice and wilted down a bit. Then I went back to my pan to flip the hash brown and the sausage. As you can see, it toasted very nicely. Then I grabbed the tofu. I like to get the organic kind and extra firm because it has like a thick texture. I add nutritional yeast as well, and I crumbled maybe about a third of the tofu into the pan, mixed everything all together, and that was my breakfast. For lunch, I had some long grain white rice and Indian Bombay potatoes, which I both got from Target because I wanted something quick and simple. I just opened the packaging, put it in a pot, added some water, let that boil, and I added some seasoning salt, I believe, like some seasonal black pepper and salt. Added some sauteed spinach and garlic, of course, with some chili flakes. And then I heat up the rice, and it pretty much was less than 15 minutes, you guys. And this was very tasty just for something that was literally just like out of a package, but it was very filling, and I liked that. For dinner, I decided to have a sweet potato topped with Brussels sprouts. I just poked holes in the sweet potato because I didn't have much time to wait for the oven, and I added in a paper towel and I heated up in the microwave. And this is a quick hack if you are waiting to do sweet potatoes and you are in a rush. And I like my Brussels sprouts to be like crunchy and kind of like almost burnt. It just gives that nice flavor. I chopped up some onion and red bell peppers. I added about 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and I let that simmer all the way down till the flavor was mixed in with the veggies. Then I used some vegan butter on my sweet potato and it melted very nicely. Then I just topped it off with the Brussels sprouts and this was so good. I hope you guys try this one if you don't try any of the others, but this one was a must and I added arugula on the side. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to come back for more food inspirational videos if you are on a journey to a healthier lifestyle. I'll talk to you soon.